Guess the Jamaican terms. Who am I here with today?
Chinwe.
Chingwe. What country from?
So I'm half Nigerian and half Guyanese.
Guyanese and Nigerian. Yoruba or Ebo?
Igbo.
Igbo. Sorry, I said it so wrong. You know any Jamaican terms?
I know bomber clock. I know.
Of course.
I don't like this word, but I know it. Chichiman.
Chichiman. Aye, that's a throwback. So that's what I'm gonna do, yeah? I'm gonna give you 2 Jamaican terms and I want you to just tell me what they are in English. Pick me.
A pick me.
Pick me.
A pick me. Child.
Okay.
Yeah.
There we go. You see,
That's like word.
She must.
Okay.
Irish moss, Guinness punch, Magnum punch, peanut punch, sour sop, strong back. To give the ladies, the girl them, the good wood. Man with the big bamboo. Me mash up bed, me mash up headboard. Me tell the girl them, murder Roy, murder Roy. Skidoo do da do da do da do da do da do da do da. Tell them the friend that we are, tell them a friend. What? Tell them the friend that we are, tell them a friend. Tell them the friend that we are, tell them a friend. Them a murderer. See.